Hey guys, I'm Justin Boggs, the co-founder of Marketplace Valet. We help brands optimize and operate on Amazon. Since 2006, we have over 417,000 reviews as a seller. I'm here to discuss all things Amazon, solve problems, and answer common questions. Today's video is about 466, how to reactivate a closed Amazon listing in less than 5 minutes. Let's get into it. You've closed a listing on Amazon and are wondering if you can reopen it. The answer is yes. And it's a pretty quick process to do so. Let's go over how to reactivate your closed listing and get it live again. Why would someone close a listing in the first place? It could be for a number of reasons. For instance, maybe you're preparing to launch a new product and you don't want it to start receiving traffic and reviews before you've fully optimized the listing. Another reason might be to temporarily hide the listing while you work on improving the content, like updating your images, title, or description. Now, to reactivate the listing, head over to your Amazon Seller Central account. Find the closed listing you want to reactivate. You'll see 3 dots on the right side. Click those and choose Edit. After that, you can make any small changes to the listing, whether it's modifying a product detail, fixing some text, or adjusting the title. Once you've made the update, click Save and Finish. Within around 15 minutes, your listing should be back up and running. Sometimes it might take a little longer, but it's usually pretty fast. The best part is that the listing keeps its reviews and sales data, so you don't lose any history. One important tip: if you've ever made changes to your catalog, it's a good idea to back it up before doing anything major. That way, if you need to recover any deleted listings or make a restore, you've got your data safely stored. So reactivating a closed listing is simple, quick, and doesn't affect your product's performance. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to get more tips on optimizing and managing your Amazon listings. If you have any questions or need help growing your brand on Seller Central, feel free to check us out at marketplacevalet.com. Like and follow us for more helpful Amazon content. Thanks for watching this video.